Hello, what up? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a floating shelf from a charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Alright, so I got these charcuterie boards from Trader Joe's. We're going to make the flat edge. So I pick a side, not that side, this side. And I use a ruler to ruler off the, just like a straight line. And we're just gonna saw it, because we're gonna try to do this without any power tools. It's actually easier to saw if you use little clamps and clamp it onto your table. And there I go sawing. Wow, so strong. So with that, we're just going to make that side as flat as possible, so it's gonna be flush against the wall. You can see there, it's kind of not quite flush. It's on the left side, so we're gonna keep on sanding it down till it's completely flat. And with that, sand away. Then we're gonna take a pilot hole tool, and that's gonna make your hidden holes on the bottom of the board. So I measure the width of the board, line it up, and you wanna put the holes where the stud's gonna be. This board isn't 16 inches, that's where how long is like between studs. So we're just gonna put one stud right in the middle of the board. So we mark off the middle of the board or your shelf, and that's where we're gonna put this hole. There are two options, and I'm just picked this right one because it's a little bit less shallow of a hole. Clamped it on, and we're gonna use this little drill thing because again, trying to not use power tools, and it's a pain. It sucks really bad, but eventually I got it. And yeah, it worked pretty well. So that gives it a place for the screw to go in and to be hidden. But now I'm going to use a smaller drill bit to make a hole for the screw to easily screw through the board and into your stud in the wall. So we just have to do this on two other sides to kind of make sure the shelf will stay like balanced, will like stay even in the wall. And these two places I'm going to do a drywall screw to hold it into place. I'm in love, and I don't care who knows it. I love them. They're everything to me. And they just make my life so much easier and better. And honestly, just like an hour with them, and I'm left feeling satisfied. And they're so easy. So easy to understand, so easy to get. Sometimes I just feel a little lost, I just hop on them, and they make everything all better. And I want you to do the same thing. And even if you're new to it, even just an hour, I bet you'll leave feeling so much better about everything you have. Squarespace. Love Squarespace. You're thinking today, sponsor Squarespace. For reals, they are the love of my life. One of my most constant relationships in my life. Is that true? I think that might be true. You guys could actually make a website, like I said, honestly, an hour. Just an hour with them. It's so easy and so user-friendly, and you don't need to learn anything. You can just be a beginner, and you can have a website that looks beautiful with their templates, and it's functional and all the things. You can actually start a website today by going to the link in my description, www.squarespace.com/mood, and no credit card needed. When you decide to purchase something, don't forget coupon code SHMOOD to get 10% off your first purchase. So cool. Alright, now we need to find a stud in the wall. So, that's kind of where we want the thing to be. There's a stud finder, it says it's right there. And that makes sense because it's lined up with one of the outlets. It's usually where studs are. But I'm just going to use the old knock and drill technique. Knock and drill again. Nope, it's not there. It should be. Nope. Are we sure we're knocking in the right place? Let's try over here. Nope. Alright, we measure out 16 inches times 8. Should be right there. Is this it? Aha! We found a stud. So just line up that middle hole right there. And make sure it's nice and even. Have a leveler on your phone. How convenient is that? Does that count as a power tool? I don't know. So with the nice and even, we're just going to drill into the wall. And now we have those two holes, and we're going to use those drywall/concrete screws. And how that works is it's a little plastic guy, so shove that in the drywall, and now line up the shelf and screw it on into place. And those should snap. I think they said it like will hold up to 65 pounds. But really more than anything, that's just to help hold, it's supposed to help hold the shelf into place and keep it level. And then all the weight bearing is gonna be in this middle one that has the stud screw. So, time to stage it. Oh, look how cute. It's got a little candle and a card that I made. Wow. Well, let's just do a bunch of them. Cute. There we go. Little charcuterie boards. Charcuterie board floating shelves. I actually really love how each one looks different. It is a very organic feel and is cute. Look how cute. Makes my studio feel more like a home and less like a dungeon where I don't have light or happiness. But now I have cheese and meat and charcuterie board shelves. You can too, with your own charcuterie boards. But really super easy. And if you use power tools, it'd be 100 times easier. I don't know why I did that to myself, but worked. And then also, to kind of keep the no power tool thing alive, I had Elisa help me show how to do like a wood burning technique with no power tools. It's these little markers, and you just draw it out with marker, and then you just heat it up. You can use like a flame or like a heat gun or a blow dryer, and just that will burn where the marker is. So you could, if you want, you could add a little details into your wood, your floating shelves. Very on brand flowers and skulls. Actually kind of surprised at how easy this project was, super doable, and like, I don't know, I was just winging it. So I don't always know what I'm doing. You guys can go ahead and try it your own way. And if you have any tips or tricks, leave them in the comments. Love you, bye. Mwah. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.